Hello, good morning, students. Today's transcription number 279 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, this short bill seeking to make certain amendments to the Indian Tariff Act with a view to granting protection to the power and distribution transformers industry and to continue or discontinue protection to certain other industries seems to suggest that it is not very much other than routine business. Sir, it is true that government come forward with amendments to the Tariff Act now and then and try to claim that they have come here to give protection to certain national industries. Sir, we all urge that the paramount necessity of our country is industrialization, and therefore any government action which might seek to improve the process of industrialization in our country is commendable. But as some of the speakers have already said, when government have brought forward this bill, they should have given a report as to the action they have taken for the development of these particular industries. You know, sir, and I want to emphasize it, that by mere continuation of the protective duty for all time to come, it is not possible to industrialize our country. We have to go to the basic needs of the industry. Sir, as the honorable friend who spoke first on this bill said, government promised that they were going to appoint a committee to go into the entire cost structure and see whether there was any possibility of the further development and further utilization of the productive power of this particular industry. Therefore, I feel when the government have come forward with such an amendment, they should give us a comprehensive report as to what action they have taken and whether they actually appointed a committee to look into all these problems. Sir, the first point has been already discussed by some of the friends here about the power and distribution transformers industry. It is absolutely necessary for us to see that we have more electric power. Therefore, the development of the power and distribution transformers industry for the manufacture of distribution transformers is absolutely necessary. Here, some allegations were made, but we have got to see that the type of transformers that we manufacture here must be given to the people of India at the price which they can afford. Of course, for some time more in certain categories of industries, it may be necessary for us to pay more for the foreign products.